Hello children, welcome to our science class. Today we are going to study about our body. Children, in your previous class you have studied about the parts of your body. That is your eyes, ears, nose, hand, leg, fingers, elbow and many more parts. Now let's see something more in this chapter. So parts of our body. Our body is a wonderful machine. It is made up of many parts. We can see some parts of the body. So, children, you know that there are many parts in a body. Some parts can be seen and some cannot be. So, those parts which we cannot see are the heart, lungs, kidneys, liver, and many more parts inside our body which is not visible. So, in this chapter, we are going to study about those parts of the body that we can see. Now, here's a picture of a boy, and what you have to do, you have to label the parts of the body and choose the names from the box below. So, here is a box where some parts of the body are named, and you will have to name them in the figure below. Now, this picture is about the eye. So here we are going to write about eye, E-Y-E, eye. Then we have the forehead with the spelling here. So we'll write forehead, that is F-O-R-E-H-E-A-D. Similarly, you have to label all these parts of the body. Now, there are some parts of the body that we cannot see and they are hidden inside. So, as I told you before, we have some more parts of the body that are hidden inside. Now, we are all different. Now, all of us have the same body parts, but we are all different in some or the other way. Now, we all have the same body parts, but we do not look the same. The shape, size, and skin color of each person is different. We look different as we grow. So, when you were small, you look different, and now when you are grown up, you look more differently. Now look carefully at the pictures of Pooja, her mother, and her grandfather. So here's a picture of three people: Pooja, mother, and her grandmother. So you can see very well that there is a lot of difference between these three pictures. Now identify all these differences and write in the space given below. Now here you have a chart where you have to write all those differences that you have observed in these pictures. Like the color of the hair. Now look at the color of the hair of Pooja. So Pooja has black hair. Her mother also has black hair, while her grandmother has white hair. So you have to mention all these differences over here. Then you have the height, number of hands, weight, and all these things will be filled up as per the diagram given. Now let's move on to an important section, that is the sense organs. Sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. So, in this chapter, children, we are now going to learn about our sense organs that make us feel something or the other. Let us see what these sense organs help us to do. So, what do? They help us to see, hear, smell, taste, and feel. Now, let's see how do these sense organs help us to do all these things. Let's look into the pictures here. Now, here you can see an eye. What does the eye help us to do? So, it helps us to see different and beautiful things of this world. Second picture is about the ear. How does it help? It helps us to hear good words. Then we have the nose. It helps us to smell. Then we have the tongue. What does the tongue do? It helps us to taste. And finally we have the skin. How does the skin help us? It helps us to feel the things we touch. So children, now here is a small activity for you. I'll help you to understand this, and the rest of the thing you will have to do it by yourself. Now in this picture, you have to relate what is given along with the child shown. So in the first picture, the child is reading. So which of the sense organs help us to read? Your mouth? No. Your nose? No. Your ear? No. Your eyes? Yes. Your eyes help you to read. Then you have the second option, eat. Then we have the hear and then smell. Now you have to find out which of these body organs help us to do all these activities. So I hope you can do it and you are loving it. Okay. Let's meet in our next session with some more interesting things to learn. Bye-bye.